Hey everyone, what's up? It's Paul from Crypto Lifestyle here, back with a brand new video preview of MaticMoon that will be launching soon on Polygon network. And this one looking pretty good. They have some unique features, so let's take a closer look. Right, guys, so we are back. As you can see, there is a timer. This thing will launch soon. So if you want to go in, it's always best to do it early. We'll talk about the features that they have here. As you can see, you can earn up to 20% daily here, and they are giving 10% of their Defi to charity to help Ukrainian refugees. And if you go here, you'll see the organization that they want to support. So that's nice. I'm not sure how it's gonna be executed. You can find that on their Telegram if you join and ask. I am here to cover the technical aspects of this dapp. So they have this medium article, and we will uh, read it right now. Okay. So up to 20% daily, 10% of fees to help Ukraine. So MaticMoon is a high-yield investment program developed for the Polygon community. The contract is designed to reward the community, especially at this time when the crypto space is experiencing some heavy market volatility. This is the best time to put Matic into yield returns and gain good ROI. This is a community-driven project. We encourage every member of the community to reinvest a small percentage of their gains so as to sustain the lifespan of the contract. This DeFi investment program is very secure. The contract has been audited and verified to be 100% safe. With the features included, the contract will be able to sustain itself for a very long time. And they have this Haze Crypto audit that you can check out on the Haze Crypto website to be sure that it is legit. You can read that the high issue is, of course, this is high risk. Remember, guys, this is not a financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Remember to never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research to better understand what you're investing in. Okay, so uh, they have a few investment plans. The project fee is 20%, but 10% of that will go to support to help the Ukraine. It's a lot, I guess, but still, well, that's how they design it. They have a few different plans. The first one, this is the basic return that they have. The first one is with a total return of 133% ROI, 9.5% daily profit for 14 days. And for me, this is the best one. And the second one is for 21 days, paying 68% clean profit, so it will equal to 8% daily. And the last one is for 7.4% daily for 28 days, and you can basically double even more your amount that you will invest. Of course, you cannot take your initial investment out. You can only get it back in dividends. So yeah, always check the balance and everything. Well, my recommendation is going early, really early, because right now ROI systems are not that stable. People are withdrawing a lot, so it's best to go early. That's why I'm showing you this early. The minimum deposit here is 10 Matic, and after the launch, the daily profit will increase 0.5% every day. So new people coming in will have a better return, which seems to be fair. On which withdrawal 10% of dividends will be deducted automatically and will remain in the contract, and 90% of dividends will be transferred to the user's wallet. So they also have a withdrawal fee, and they have a referral system here as well, paying 6% from level one. So if we go back, you'll see that they are also planning to launch Phantom Moon and Avex Moon soon. So let's look at the features once again. So the minimum deposit is 10 Matic. Basic interest will rise 0.5% every day. The basic plans are from 7 to 8% daily. It will grow. Are accurate every moment. You can withdraw anytime, but you cannot withdraw your initial investment. You can use the inbuilt reward calculator to see your expected ROI. With every staking plan, 10% is posted on every investment that will be accessible to developers, 6% to run the system, and 4% for the profit. Mm, and you can withdraw anytime. Yeah, so these are the plans, like I presented. The last plans are locked. The second type of the plans. Locked means that you will not be able to withdraw anything before the plan ends. So that's the most risky one, because you will have to wait for 14 days to get your everything, your initial deposit and your dividends that will be accrued. It will double your investment, but this is very risky. Some systems failed because people, after these plans finished, people were withdrawing a lot. So even if you're planning to go with this one, you will have to go very early, and then after 14 days you will have to rush in order to take your profit. So yeah, I won't be going in with this one, but I will be going in with the daily plan. I will do a second video, and I will do live deposit and show you that I have invested. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks like. I mean, they've done a good job with the design. It looks a little bit refreshed, but basically the model is the same that we know from other Matic Dapps. They have this charity that they will support, and it will launch soon. So right now you can not deposit, but you will be able in a couple of hours. And I will do another video, like I said. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. It will help me to grow the channel, do more giveaways in the future. Also join my Telegram chat where I'm giving you updates. You can ask me anything when we can discuss the dApps that we're investing in, and we are also looking for new dApps every single day. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on another video.